Good morning, dear students. Let's begin our social science class. Today we will start with Economics Chapter 1 Development. The contents for this chapter that we'll be discussing in our videos are development meaning, different people, different goals, contradicting goals, income, national development. Then we will talk about UNDP and World Bank, average and per capita income, criteria including income, public facilities, and sustainable development. Please ignore if any spelling is wrong. So let us first see what do we mean by development. The term development may mean different thing to different people. It is important at the outset that we have some working definition or core perspective on its meaning. Now what is it? Without such a perspective and some agreed on measurement criteria, we would be unable to determine which country was actually developing and which was not. So, development itself means nothing, yet it includes many of the basic principles on which the comparison is made between different countries. Now, what does development promises? People seek different things. They seek things that are most important for them, like which they can fulfill their aspirations or desires. In fact, at time two person or group of person may seek things which are conflicting, means which are contradicting. A girl expects as much freedom and opportunity as her brother, and that he also share in the household work. Her brother may not like this. Similarly, to get more electricity, this is a case too, industrialists may want more dams. So in the first case, we saw that a girl wants more freedom, more opportunities, and for that the household work should also be done by his brother. But his brother did not want that. So it is conflicting or contradicting. To get more electricity, industrialists want more dam, but this may submerge the land and disrupt the lives of people who are displaced, such as tribal. So, if any location government has decided to make the dams, then it will disrupt the lives of people who were living over there, especially the tribal people if they are living over there. So they might resent this and prefer small check dams or tanks to irrigate their land. So two things are quite clear. Now what are they? What are the aspects of the development? Different people can have different developmental goals, and development for one may not be the development for other, or it can be destructive for other. So this is what our development promises and what are the aspects of development we have discussed. Now income. Now income as a source of development is the most important. Among developmental goals, we have various goals like income, good standard of living, satisfaction, equal treatment, freedom, security, ample opportunities, as well as respect. But out of those, income is the most important. People desires a regular work, better wages, decent price for their crops or other products that they produce. In other words, they want more income. Besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also ask things like equal treatment, freedom, security, respect of others. They resent discrimination. All these are important goals. In fact, in some cases, that these may be more important than more income or more consumption, because material goods are not that all we need to live. This will be discussing further also, that the money in our pocket cannot buy all the good and happiness. So we say that income is the most important, but after them the outstanding other things are also there which people need in their lives, which would outstand income also sometimes. Goals other than income for people. Now what are the goals that people want other than income? As I told you, many subtypes of developmental goals, so we'll be reading here. Money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depend, but the quality of our life also depend on non-material things mentioned above. Like we say, a good standard of living, satisfaction, equal treatment, freedom, security, ample opportunity, respect. If it is not obvious to you, then just think of role of your friends in your life. The friends does not provide any income, but rather than that, all the things are provided by friends. These are also as equal as income for you. You may desire their friendship. Similarly, there are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to our lives. These are often ignored. If you get a job in a far off place, before accepting it, you would try to consider many factors apart from income, like facilities for your family, working atmosphere, opportunity to learn. In another case, a job may give you less pay but may offer regular employment that enhances your sense of security. Also, it might give you job satisfaction and many other things. And another job, however, may offer high pay but no job security and also no leave time for your family. So, this will reduce our sense of security and freedom. So, we say that other than income, there are many developmental goals which a person wants in his or her life. For development, people look at the mixture of goals. Justify the statement. It is a very important question. It is true that if women are engaged in a paid work, their dignity in the household and society increases. This we all know, their respect will increase. However, it is also the case that if there is respect for women, there would be more sharing of housework and a greater acceptance of women working outside. A safe and secure environment may allow more women to take up a variety of jobs or run a business. Hence, developmental goals that people have are not only about better income but also about other important things of life. So we have seen till now that every person wants many other development goals other than income, which is the basic of all. But if other are not provided, then income will be not sufficient for person development. So today we have studied till here. Today we have discussed what do you mean by development, aspect of development and developmental goals. That's all for the day, students. Thank you and have a nice day.